Hey guys, my name is Frank Wolf, and I am in the midst right here. This is the Mackenzie River of about a month-long trip down the Mackenzie River from the source at Hay River to Inuvik by the Arctic Ocean. And TRAK asked me to, because I do these long trips in the 16-foot TRAK kayak, how do I pack for such a long journey? Like, how do I get it all into the TRAK? So I flew into Hay River just using a regular airplane with the TRAK rolling bag that it comes in, and basically everything that was on the plane with me had to come with me because I'm basically flying back from Inuvik. So I have to have everything with me that going into the boat. So here is my packing system. So if you look over here at the very end, I've got a C-line, a stern bag. Sorry, a bow bag. This is the bow, stern, the bow bag there. And so that's where I put my clothes. Stuff that right to the end. And I also have a long string on it too. So at the end of the day, I basically use a paddle to stuff it in at the end. And then I can pull it out with the string. In front of that, I've got a couple of my food bags, breakfast, and my snacks. And on top of that, there's enough room to throw my 2 fuel bottles from my MSR Whisper Light stove, which I put right here. So this is right in front of the pedals, which are inside. Then I have my stove. I've got a little repair kit here I keep with me, and just my little day bag with my lunch. So clothes, most of my food, fuel, stove, lunch, and repair kit, all in front of my feet, in front of the pedals, and I can get it out by pulling the string. I also have a little deck bag here, just to put in day stuff, snacks, sunscreen, camera, all that sort of stuff I want handy. I can just pop that on top. There's lots of different types of these bags. This one has a little GoPro mount on it, the Gear Lab Outdoors deck pod, and that's kind of handy for doing some video along the way. And then inside the cockpit with me, I have my water just right in front of my seat, and then right behind my seat I can have space for, basically, I got first aid kit, got a water filter. The water's really murky here on the Mackenzie, so I need to filter the water. Just my cup fits in back there nicely. And then at the back, the stern of the boat, I've got my camera gear, a couple of Pelican boxes fit behind me, and right behind here is the actual TRAK rolling bag. It fits behind the seat, so you just kind of stick it in there. It takes a few minutes to get it in, but the bag itself that the whole boat comes in goes right behind the seat. And then I can put things inside the bag. I can put these in the bag, just kind of wedges in, and there's space behind my seat to get stuff under the bag if I want to. Also, when you're flying, the TRAK bag is one thing, but you have to bring your stuff in your own bag. So I have my duffel. This is my travel duffel right here. And so this I can just stick behind the camera gear. And I also use this duffel at the end of the day. When I pull up, I use it to carry all my gear up to my campsite. So I can put all these small bags into this duffel, which I've flown with. So it has a purpose while you're on the trip as well. So at the very back, just a couple more things. I got my bag here with the my journal, some books to read, basically a little library, solar panel, extra little bag. I put my boots here, and some bits of clothing. And at the very back here is my bag with my dinner, another stern bag or bow bag that slides in the back. And all this stuff you can access from the zip pocket at the top. And finally, probably the key piece is you definitely need a deck bag. So this is a stern deck bag, 30 liter by C-Line. And in here I have my tent, my thermarest, my sleeping pad. I've got a tarp, I've got my little camping chair in there, and I also have my sleeping bag. So all these things are in this deck bag, so it takes a lot of volume out of the boat onto the deck. Easy on, easy off. Spare paddle on top and pump as well. So that's how I pack for a 30-day trip on the Mackenzie River.